Aloha, guys. We are the Kalamas from HGTV's Renovation Aloha.
And this is Biggie. Come check out our house in Kailua, Oahu. You might recognize this house from season 1 of Renovation Aloha. Yes, we kept this house and it's our dream house, and
we're gonna show it to you today.
Can we just moment for the front door? This was the focal point of the front of the house, and I think it really elevates the design. It brings this organic texture because you have really darker colors on the exterior of our home, and then to organic the crap out of it, you just put a nice wood door. And the garage is cohesive to the front door, so that's how we tied it all together. But right when you go through this beautiful wood pivot door, you're met with our children's art. Our kids are the most important things in our lives. I think it only made sense for it to greet people right when they come in. What better way to honor them but have it be a fun feature that gets displayed for everyone to see.
Yeah, this is just as much their house as it is our house. And
yes.
So we want them to be represented in it. And look at this stuff, it's rad.
It's so cool, and I'm just gonna leave it at that.
This is our dining space.
It's where bread is broken, stories are shared, and we truly spend a lot of time in this space. There's the blend of, I think, contemporary modern and Hawaiian in this space. And I think ultimately we were just trying to capitalize on the view that you see.
You have windows out to our backyard and then also out to the lake.
Water from every window.
It just brightens the space up, connects you more with the outside and nature, and you see all of the color palettes that you would see outside brought into our house.
Yep. Let's go to the other space. Our formal
sitting area.
Which is where I think when I'm in this space, if I'm not eating or working on the dining room table, I'm in here. This is the focal point you catch right from the front door when you walk in. This is what greets you. This lush green rug with the neutral palette of the furniture all the way out to the water.
We are very organic and earthy, but we love pops of color. There's a few pieces that mean a lot to us. We have a family aloha chant. This is our definition of what aloha is. And our design choices really embody the aloha spirit. And so we have it front and center.
It's a way of living, it's how you treat people, it's how you resolve conflict, and so that's how we've chosen to live our life.
It is what we are. One of the major things for us also when we're doing these houses is flow. When you walk in your front door, we want to guide you right outside. This is the major feature of the house, these big glass sliding doors. And then we'll segue into our couch and TV area.
And it's more of just the lounge, comfortable area where we literally just watch TV.
It's just another space where our family can gather, watch Renovation Aloha on HGTV. We do have a focal feature. We don't necessarily need fireplaces in Hawaii.
We do not need fireplaces in Hawaii, but
we love the ambiance, and one of the things we love to do is gather around the fireplace and hang out, talk story.
Yeah, and it's more for ambiance and how it makes you feel versus function. And then you'll see we did custom grass cloth that kind of represented the ocean. Worked with a local artist to install this. You'll see it in the art, you'll see it in our pillows, you'll see it in the blankets. We love to support local artists, so it's really important for us to bring that into our home because it's just so special. And then come into our kitchen. This kitchen, I think, is a beautiful blend of you and I feel like this kitchen represents organic modern blended together because you have these earthy tones in the cabinetry that's wood grain, but then you have this dark, more textured cabinetry that brings out the modern side, and then they're beautifully woven together with this porcelain slab that has all of the color palettes of the kitchen.
We carried the porcelain slab onto the hood vent.
We did.
Which is like one of my favorite things.
Same.
Yeah.
It was a no-brainer. It just balances out the space, I think, really nicely. And biggest island we've ever done.
Oh my gosh, yes. Probably my favorite part of the house.
But then what we also did is turned your pantry over there into a surprise.
It may look like this is a pantry cabinet, but when you open it up,
Ta-da!
ta-da!
It's actually a full-on walk-in storage pantry. It's super utility. It's super unique to have. Obviously, the hidden feature is really fun.
It's also just fun to be able to have a space to hide all the stuff you don't want anyone to see out there.
Hide the junk.
You can keep your kitchen on the outside very clean and sleek and put all the utility stuff back here.
Absolutely, I love it. So this is my daughter's room.
Which we will not be showing.
Too messy to show.
Too messy to show.
Laundry. Son's room, also too messy to show. But we'll take you to the last room at the end of the hall, which is our humble office. And as you can see, Biggie is also coming with us. I like to think that it is a work in progress.
You can see we have basically every design material that you could.
Paint, countertops, cabinets, tile. I mean, this is really where samples are kept, more samples, flooring over here. But it's really where we're busy designing spaces for other people and for our investment properties. So this space isn't necessarily perfectly designed, but I love it like that. And then of course, natural light, you gotta have view, and you're greeted by the lake once again. Oh, Biggie, oh, Biggie, yeah, honey. You're doing so good.
And then from here, we are going to head into our sanctuary.
Our bedroom.
Also known as the primary suite.
This is it, ta-da! Our primary bedroom. We drenched every wall in the nice beigey tone. It's specifically called shiitake. But we went very organic in this room with color palette. A richer walnut for bedding, richer walnut on the chair, blacks and golds, and my favorite color is green, if the world hasn't figured that out.
Look at these beautiful green eyes. She was born with her favorite color in her eyes. That's crazy.
I'll take it. I actually enjoy just being in this space. I think our lives are so busy and hectic with the businesses and the kids and the TV show that this is where I truly come to escape, and it calms me. And we wanted to allocate enough space for the two spaces you see behind us, which was our walk-in closet and our primary ensuite.
I'm just gonna go hang out in the shower.
I mean, that's where I spend a lot of time too, is in that tub right there. But we use the same porcelain slabs that you'll see in the kitchen all over this wet room. So on the floor, on the walls, and it really feels expensive, and that's because it was.
It really makes it very utilitarian, but also it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, it's easy to clean, it's a statement piece. It's timeless, and it will feel like it's luxurious and in style in a decade from now.
And who has ever seen a rain shower head this big? You have to have a rain shower head.
And then we carried obviously the same slab onto the counters in the vanity here. Tons of counter space. That was really important for me. He has his side, I have my side. And I think to try and elevate the ceiling height, we went with mirrors that went all the way and almost touched the ceiling to make the space feel bigger than it was. And then I love a countertop sink. Yeah.
Which leads us to what this whole house is about, which is our outdoor space.
And it's one of the other main reasons we bought the house, because it had a pool. Honestly, a pool right off a lake, it really doesn't get much better than that.
Not only do we have a pool, but we have a hot tub.
Yep.
And both of these features overlook this beautiful lake. And what's really important in Hawaii is outdoors. Like we are outdoors all the time. And our kids get so much use out of this space.
Almost every day.
Almost every day.
But then that also leads us to our outdoor kitchen with our eating area.
We wanted to build a space designated for an outdoor kitchen. You will catch me out here on the barbecue.
Grilling steaks.
Grilling steaks.
But
I
you
mean,
will
just
also-
last night.
You will also catch him watching his outdoor television.
Come on, guys. You gotta have an outdoor TV.
I will say it's a really nice party feature. It definitely ties everything together. This Hawaiian look with this modern vibe to really blend the contemporary modern and the organic modern features together to accentuate Enchanted Lake.
You come out here in the morning with a cup of coffee, it's the most peaceful place. We, from the very beginning, understood how valuable this outdoor space was in the lake, and we wanted to put in a feature that really opened up the indoor to the outdoor, and we did that through this 16-foot accordion doors.
They're open all the time.
It's just another extension of the house.
But look at this. Am I inside or am I outside? I don't know. Having a door that just breaks it wide open. And that's what Hawaii is all about.
This is Hawaii living. We're stoked to be able to share this with you guys, and
that's our house.
That is
our
house.
house. I hope you like it, and I think it's a perfect representation of us.
It is.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job to you, sir. Tune in to Renovation Aloha, stream season 1 and season 2 now, and
catch us on Rock the Block. We love you guys, and thank you so much for all your support.